Hello, this is Vasimula and welcome to my channel, that is Vasimula Graphics and Architectural Designer. In this tutorial of 3dsmax I will tell you how to model a toothpaste. So do subscribe my channel and do not forget to press the bell icon to get latest videos notification. So without wasting any time, let's jump to 3dsmax. I will use the line tool plus box or you can see rectangle, ellipse tool, big circle and small circle, and one big circle for the when you open a toothpaste it look like a ring shape. Now drag a rectangle, drag ellipse tool, drag big circle, drag small one big circle and one small circle. Now take a line, go to the compound objects, select loft, from here select get shape, on the path parameters get shape, apply rectangle, get shape. Now it's in the X is on the corner of the and the top view. You can see the X is on the in this top view. You can say X. This X is on the corner of the box or the tube. Toothpaste, you can see it. Now when I changes its position, path parameters, it changes its position from here corner to this area, from here to here. As I move the cursor from before, it was here in the corner of the box or the toothpaste. Now it is here X. Now at 20 I will apply get shape, apply ellipse tool, now at 50 and now at make it changes path parameter 50. Now X is here or here X is. I will get shape, I will apply the okay. Now at 70 or 80 I will apply the get shape, this one. No, this is very smaller. At 80 I will apply this one. At 90 okay, make it as go to the 90. Apply this now at 100 make a small click on this button, get shape, now make a go to the loft option, select this one, make it edit poly, select the polygons, increase its size. Now go to edit poly and go to edit poly, select the polygon, make sure that on the edges faces, on the edges faces, extruded. Let me select it from the top viewport. Deselect by holding Alt key. Extruded. Now the down one, extruded, holding selecting multiple polygons, holding the control key.